If you're considering VPNArea for your privacy and security needs, here are 12 things you need to know before purchasing. We're going to compare it to some of the top competitors so you can make a well-informed decision. First up, VPNArea offers a strong network of over 1,000 servers across 70 plus countries. That's solid coverage, but when compared to some competitors like NordVPN, who have over 5,000 servers, it may feel a bit limited. However, VPNArea still gives you enough to ensure stable and secure connections worldwide. The second thing is its speed. VPNArea is known for its decent speeds, but when compared to top-tier VPNs like ExpressVPN, it doesn't always hold up in terms of raw speed performance. If you're looking for top-notch speed, you might find other options more suited to your needs. Next, VPNArea is very privacy-focused. It's based in Bulgaria, which is outside the 5914 Eyes surveillance alliances. That's a big plus for privacy, and while it's not the most well-known VPN jurisdiction, it still provides strong protection. Compared to companies based in places like the US or UK, Bulgaria is definitely a privacy-friendly choice. The fourth thing to consider is VPNArea's pricing. It's fairly affordable with plans starting at around $3,000 per month, but there are plenty of cheaper competitors, like Surfshark, which also offers a lower price with more features. So, it's a good deal, but not necessarily the cheapest. Next thing to know, VPNArea has strong encryption with AES 256. This is industry standard and on par with most of the top VPNs, so you're well protected on that front. It's not a unique selling point, but it works as expected. The sixth thing is that it offers a kill switch and DNS leak protection, which are essential for protecting your data when your VPN connection drops. Some competitors, like CyberGhost, also offer these features, but it's still great to see VPNArea include them in its base offering. Another thing to note is its torrenting and P2P support. VPNArea allows P2P traffic on several servers, which is great for users looking to safely torrent. While many VPNs do this, it's worth mentioning as it's one of VPNArea's strengths over others like PureVPN, who have a mixed reputation when it comes to torrenting. The eighth thing is its device compatibility. VPNArea works across all major platforms, including Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android. It also supports routers, which is a big advantage if you want to protect all your devices at once. However, other VPNs like ExpressVPN offer a more seamless user experience with more device-specific apps. Next up, the customer support. VPNArea offers live chat and email support, which is solid, but not as responsive or fast as bigger players like NordVPN, who are known for their excellent customer service. If you're someone who needs quick resolutions, this could be a slight downside. The 10th thing is that VPNArea doesn't have a large presence in China. While some VPNs, like NordVPN, offer specialized servers to bypass China's Great Firewall, VPNArea doesn't go as far in this regard. So, if you're in or traveling to China, it might not be the best option. Next thing, VPNArea doesn't have a free version or trial, which is a downside for those who want to test it out before committing. Competitors like ProtonVPN offer a free plan with limited features, so if a free trial is important to you, VPNArea may not be the best fit. The 12th thing is that VPNArea accepts a variety of payment methods, including cryptocurrency, which is a plus for privacy-conscious users. It's always nice to see a VPN offering this level of anonymity when paying. So, is VPNArea worth it? Overall, it's a solid VPN with a good mix of privacy, security, and affordable pricing. However, if you're looking for faster speeds, a larger server network, or better customer support, you may want to check out some of the top competitors. But if you're still interested in VPNArea, it's definitely worth considering. If you want a better alternative, check out our recommended VPN solution, which offers a free trial so you can test it yourself before making a decision.